Are you struggling with skincare and you have tried so many products but have not found the one that gives you a desired result? Look no further. I have the solution for you. My name is Tajana. I'm a licensed skincare specialist and also a certified holistic nutritionist. Having worked in skincare industry for many years for multiple brands, I can tell you that you cannot solve skin concerns just by using the product. You need a holistic approach. My goal is to help you solve skin problems from within. And in my channel Skincare with Tajana, I simplify skincare for you and share healthy recipes that heals your skin. When you start eating healthy, not only your skin will improve, but your overall mind and body. And that's my ultimate goal, to make you feel confident from inside and out. Subscribe to my channel to get your weekly dose of professional skincare and nutritional advice, so together we can solve your skin concerns from within.